Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to verify a domain in Jira. So let's get started. First open Jira and log into your account, then click the settings icon in the navigation bar. Now select billing from the drop-down menu. In the admin area, click admin. Now start domain verification. For this, in the overview section, click verify domain. Here enter your domain name in the form field and click next. Now provide the name, host, alias for the DNS record and enter the time to live value. Now choose a verification method. You can verify your domain using one of two methods. Method number 1 is DNS TXT record. Add the TXT record shown in Jira to your domain's host DNS settings or download the provided HTML file and upload it to your website's root directory. Then verify your domain. After successful verification, you can manage users from that domain and enable SSO single sign-on. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.